What's up, everyone? So this is the Waze deployer deployment tutorial part 3. In this tutorial, we will see how to create deployment template, and we will see how to assign deployment template in deployment task, and finally how to deploy Windows Waze to the target machine. So to do that, we have to go to ManageEngine Waze deployer console. Here we will from the action pane on top, we will create manage templates. Here we'll see we have already templates I have previously configured. For this tutorial, I'm going to create a new template. So what's the new template? Template will actually contain few informations like answering files what we have used to take from back excuse me, lost it. Can you remember WDF service based on Windows? Windows gives the similar type of services. So back then you had to create some answer files even. So that's part the template will define. Okay, so here is saying that we have to select the master image that we will deploy. From previous video, we created a master image, we remember. So the master image was in OSD image file. So I have taken a master image of this one, I guess. Yeah, there is many, so this is confusing. So this is the one with only C drive, no other drives present here. So if we click next, so it will show us advanced options. Remember, during the master image creation, I have stated one thing, that if you see any system that have system reserved drive, do not take any image from there. So you can't take only C drive image from there. If you take only C drive image from there, it will happen like this. I will show you. I'm going to show you. Here, maybe this one. I've taken this image when actually system reserved drive was present. So I'm taking two of them. Let's see if the primary and active drive was D. It didn't it didn't have any boot file inside that, so it was giving me misrepresenting me that you can install this. So you will see this very short list if the image is not correct. So make sure that you are not taking image from a system where system reserved drive is present. Reinstall the OS without system reserved drive. You can find the information from Google definitely, or I will show you once I've done in my another tutorial definitely. So where was the image? D drive, T. This one. Okay, so now target disk layout. Though the PC, the target machine have many drives, and I have that valuable data in other drives, I don't want to erase the entire disk, so I will only replace volume 1. Okay, so I will only replace volume 1. In this case, then I will keep the C drive size as master image, no issue. Machine name, you can define machine name test. In the curly bracket you can define numbers. What is the curly bracket means? If you deploy this if you deploy OS to multiple PC at a time, and it will define the numbering of each machine identical. So while group, or we can join to domain. If you have a DHCP server in the environment, you can state you can obtain the address automatically, or you can define. So I will not show these things in details because this is very basic and fundamental. You will be familiar with this once you get going with OS deployer by yourself. So next, we'll not use the universal deploy, because we know that we have taken the image from Vostro 114 and we are going to deploy the image on Vostro 114. All the hardwares are similar, so we are not going to use the universal deploy method. So we can give the name Vostro 114. So Vostro 114 is the deployment task template. Now from the deployment task, I need to create a deployment task. Here it's saying that you can have the list of machine that is already ready for deployment, or you can select any machine. Select this option so that if you find any machine, a number of machines that must be ready before you start the deployment task automatically. So in this case, the new template I have just created, you have to define and select that machine password of OS deployer server itself, deployment Vostro 114. So creating the deployment task. So what is the status now? It's waiting for machine. So in this state, I'm going to restart my machine into PXE environment. How the machine will be coming to the PXE environment? Because here you see in the PXE environment, I have created a bootable media and uploaded it into here. You make sure that you have the deployment pipe agent ready in PXE environment. How you gonna create it? You can create image. I've told you that. So for in this screen, you need to select 64-bit Linux kernel. So from here you have the different options. If you can select all of them in excluding the standalone utility, or you can select both. So if you select both, it will be present on. So I have already installed this this service. Now I want to select this one, but you make sure that you have the deployment agent installed. So here is the option. You can create the image, bootable image, and upload it to PXE environment. Though we have the PXE environment ready, I am selecting the PXE environment. So the machine name and PXE server can be different server, and then the machine you have deployed was deployed. You can define password, it doesn't matter now. So component is getting uploaded to PXE server. After that, we will see two different options is present on PXE and server environment. So let's wait for a minute. It will complete eventually. Seems like it's taking time, so we can pause. Oh no, it's done. Okay, successfully. Now let's go to PXE server, and you see, oh, it actually replaced the other one. So we don't need this one actually. Let's remove it. let's remove it and recreate new media, upload it to PC like before. So I'm deselecting the master image creator. I need only this option to put. So here it is showing you define the IP address of OSWR server. Why is showing you this option? Because the PC that will boot into the PC server environment do not know which server to look for. PC server, right? OSWR server. So it will hit on 102. So 192, 168.0.102. Okay. Only 192 MB to upload. So in case you can see the screen of PC where I'm going to deploy. So let's the PC is already online, and we are rebooting it into a PC environment. So deployment task is waiting here. Suppose this is the client PC, and we are having an issue that we need to reinstall the Windows. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna boot into PC environment. I'm selecting PC as the first boot priority, so it will get the IP address eventually. It got it, and it's loading bootbase.cgf. Now you can see that booting agent is ready. On my OSWR screen, I will show. I will see PCs ready for deployment under machine IP address state and deployment section. It takes a bit time to come up. It's actually loading the PC into PC environment. Wait for a minute. As soon as it comes up, it will start the deployment. So okay, now in the OSWR screen I can see one PC is ready, and it will start deployment automatically. The status is showing preparing. We don't have to interfere within this process. It will start the process automatically upon preparation is done. Let it prepare for a moment. It may take some time based on the image size. Now it started the deployment. If you have a valid master image, it will continue the installation process without stopping it. So we can see the progress is started. If you have an invalid master image, it would stop it at the beginning. So I'm going to pause the video, and we'll come back once it's done, and maybe we can continue with the next video. So goodbye for them.